Hi friends, welcome to SSStock channel and happy new year to all. Okay, in this video we are going to teach about like what are the new features we have added to the website, and you guys can start using these features. Okay, so here you can see what are the new features we have added, and we'll go one by one. Okay. So we have added technical analysis for each time frame. Okay, so earlier this technical analysis available only for daily time frame. If you go to this ONGC, any stock, and this technical analysis was available earlier only for daily time frame. Now you can click on the weekly and monthly, and or you can go for the switch between this. Okay, and this technical analysis will explain how the stock is performing based on the moving averages, and how these moving crossovers are happening, and what is the overall technical view is suggesting it. Okay, so if this technical analysis will tell you how it is exactly performing on that time frame. And suppose if you want to focus on some medium term, you can go for weekly, and if some long term investors are there, they can look for the monthly. Okay, the traders can look for the daily time frame. So this is the first one, and you can see this like moving average crossovers, whether 5 is above the 20 SMA or not, so which indicates short term bullishness, and same thing for medium and long term also. So all this information is readily available for any stock in the technical analysis. Okay, and the second one is we have added the themes. Okay, so earlier we have only this white light theme. Now we are supporting the light theme as well as the dark also. You can simply click here to change it. Okay, suppose you want to customize them, just log into the website, and there is a general settings. Okay, so inside the general settings you can look for the themes here, and there are multiple themes are available. You can apply any theme, whichever it will be applying. So whichever the theme you like it, and so this theme will be applied overall. And if you want to change here again, you can change it to any theme. Okay, so we have added majorly this theme support, so user can customize based on their needs. So that is the second one. And third one is we have added a new scoring system for each stock here. Suppose you want to see what is the score for this daily level, and earlier we have overall, so that overall is nothing but daily, weekly, monthly. So we want to replace that scoring system with each time frame. So here this time frame, each time frame, if you want to know about more, you can click here and it will tell you. So the scoring system main will have a 5 signals: strong, bearish. So if the score is less than 20, it is a bearishness and bearish. So if the score is less than 35, so it will be like bearish. And if the score range between 35 to 54, it is a neutral. And like 55 less than 74, it is a bullish. And if any score above 75, it will be like a strong bullish signals. Okay, so this how the scoring system is like there are multiple things about, and mainly we have used moving averages and moving average crossovers, and price movement, how far it went from low, and whether it is relative performance with Nifty, whether it is perform well than the Nifty or below than the Nifty performance. And there are multiple technical indicators. This one we have used it. Okay, so this is a major scoring system, and if you see any score greater than 70, so definitely this is an uptrend. And same thing, you can look for the weekly and monthly scores also. So this is the one. And the next one, rank, here we have added. So this rank is nothing but, so when we are comparing all the stocks in the Nifty, so how far this like whatever this stock movement comparing with the other stocks. Suppose if you are checking with any other stock, so that ranking will be different, and this rank is based on the purely price performance only. Suppose you see the stock is performed 159% from 52-week low, so that is the reason it got 329. And if you look for any other stock, okay, so the rank will be different. Here it is only some 30% from 52-week low, so that is the reason this rank is almost 1800. So this rank will tell you how for this stock movement and comparing with the others, so you guys can know about it. Okay, so the next one we want to see is, so let us go to the scans here. Okay, so here you can perform any scans. Okay, so earlier I want to compare, like I want to see what how my peers are doing it. Okay, so I want to see this one. So there is a compare with the feeds feature. So you can click here and you will be getting all the data how this uh, peers are doing it. Okay, suppose I want to select any stock from this sector, I can check for it. Okay, so this will basically, this will tell you how this sector is doing from that particular stock. Okay, based on that one, either you can select that stock or I can see this. Okay, so this comparing with feature is available in all the pages across. Okay, you can go to any either portfolio or a watch list or from any page. Okay, basically you can access from the any page, that one same thing. Okay, so this is the first one. And second thing is, suppose we want to do some candles. I want to analyze my portfolio. Okay, so before doing that, I want to check this stock information. And here if you click on this eye icon, so it will tell you, instead of usually what it will do, it will navigate this one to the stock info page. Okay, so here they can see entire information, but they want to come back to the this one. So there is a navigation. So to easy of the users, we just added a dialog here. You can see all this information, like what are the major information you required about this stock, you will be seeing it. But still you want to see the more information, click on more information, and which will redirect to the stock, and you can see all the other informations. Okay, so here by default it will filter out the like major patterns only. But if you want to see all the patterns, you can click here, so that it will show you all the patterns something. Okay, and next we have added about the about stock. So you can know about, like if you want to know about any stock information, you read it about from here, and some checklist whether the house stock is performing, and this thing also you can see about from here. So these things. And if you go to the fundamental space, okay, so we have added some financial information about the stock, how it performs, like what is the basic valuations. If somebody who cares about the valuations, so it will be helpful for them to see that. Okay, and apart from that, if you see, and so if you know about any stock, right, I want to know about key points. Okay, so this key points, if you see here, so it will be telling about what are the key points available here. And suppose it is a 4% away from 52-week high, and it is already above 50 and 200 EMAs. So definitely this is in a trend, and it will tell you all about the what are the key points about that stock. So based on each stock, these points will be different. See here, so the volume is greater than 20 days volume. See here, today volume is 4 crores, and last 20 days average is 1 crore. So definitely there is a high volume on this stock. So whenever there is a high volume with the price movement, definitely the stock will go upper side. Okay, and we have integrated with some other widgets here, and you can see what are the strength. This will tell you about the fundamental also. Okay, so this will really helpful for our customers for their need. Okay, so the next one, and if you want to see the all the features here, so the 52-week breakouts here, and the 52-week breakouts. So if you go to the scans and search for 52 weeks. Okay, so why this point is important? So earlier, if you want to know any 52-week high breakout, you can click here, which will tell you about the, so what are the stocks are broken the 52 weeks high in the last candle. But suppose I want to see the stocks which are which broke the 52 weeks high before 2 days. So that before 2 days will not come under this scan. So they want to list out under the W for week. So if any stock hits 52-week high in the last week, you can get from here. Same if you want to get any stock 52-week from last month, you can get from the here. So this information really helps for the some of the customers who focus on some logics based on the that 52-week high mechanism. And so some new features like our website supports the live candle analysis feature, so you can go for analysis and others candlestick analysis. So in the live market you can run this scanner, and so which will tell you about the whatever the stocks. So suppose I want to get the stocks which are having any of these patterns. Okay, so I can click here. So even you can run this in the live market also, it will work based on the live market. Okay, hope this information will be helpful for you guys. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.